Hello students, it is given that f of x equal to 6x cube plus 7x square and in the interval minus 2 comma 1. Now differentiate this term with respect to x, so we get f dash of x equal to 18x square plus 14x. So now find the value of f of a. So f of a equal to f of minus 2, which is equal to 6 into minus 2 whole cube plus 7 into minus 2 whole square, which is equal to minus 48 plus 28, which is equal to minus 20. Now find the value of f of b. F of b equal to f of 1. Now substitute 1 into x equal to 1. So we get 6 into 1 cube plus 7 into 1 square, which is equal to 6 plus 7, which is equal to 13. So according to the mean value theorem, that exceed a value c in the interval minus 2 comma 1 such that f dash of c